To run any of the Vibe software products, you'll need to get our License Manager set up correctly. The License Manager should pop up the first time you run any of our software. At the top of the License Manager, you can see which licenses exist on the server you're using, and the bottom shows any licenses you've already acquired. To connect to your license server, you have to fill in your specific license server settings, which can be done by clicking here. There are two ways to enter the license server information. You can either fill in all the information here manually, or you can click here to load a config file that contains all the server information. Once you have that stuff set up correctly, it should say Connected here, and all the licenses on the server should show up. If we hover over a license, we can see who's currently using it, so we know who to bother when we need it. Then we just select the licenses we want and click here to acquire them. Once you have the desired licenses, you can click here to continue using the software. Or you can always return some or all of the licenses by clicking here.